no, it's 7:30. David, get up right now. We're super late.
7? Seriously? The flight is at 10.
Exactly. Move. Anna, Peter, wake up immediately.
Mom, just a little more sleep?
Not today, sweetheart. We're leaving for Costa Rica.
Costa Rica? Jungle place? With monkeys?
Yes, but we'll only meet the monkeys if we actually get to the airport on time.
Let's go.
Honey, where's your yellow jacket?
Probably in my drawer. Peter, where are your shoes?
Oh no, they vanished.
They're under your pillow again. Here.
Oh, thanks, Dad.
Okay, checklist time. Passports, tickets, chargers, snacks.
Snacks are in the blue bag. And coffee. Never forget coffee.
Mom, I packed my swimsuit and my storybook.
Good job! Peter, what did you pack?
My toy car and my hat.
That's it? What about clothes?
Oops. I'll put some in.
Maybe he's planning to live on the beach forever.
Not funny, David. Did you call the taxi?
Already arranged. It'll be here in 10 minutes.
What? I haven't brushed my hair yet.
Mom, you look fine.
Cute, but no. I still need to comb it.
Final check. Passports? Tickets?
Yes, dear.
Chargers?
All set.
Wait, my monkey toy. Where is it?
On the couch.
Found it.
Okay, family, move before we miss everything. Good morning. Heading to the airport?
Yep, Terminal 3. Hop in.
Seatbelts on, kids.
I'm so excited. I've never flown before. Do airplanes have bathrooms? I want to check it out.
Yes, tiny ones.
Later, not now.
Traffic.
Don't stress. We're not far.
Mom, what will we see in Costa Rica?
Beaches, forests, animals, volcanoes, lots of amazing things.
I want to see a sloth.
And I want a quiet beach with no work calls.
You? Without your phone?
Okay, fine. One phone for photos.
And ice cream. Promise me ice cream.
Ice cream every day. Deal.
Just hope we didn't forget mosquito spray.
David, did you pack it?
Kind of. Maybe. I'll buy one there.
No maybe with passports.
Relax, they're safe with me. See? Right here.
Look, airplanes. So many.
All right, explorers, let's find our airline counter.
And maybe a snack? And a toy?
Let's just find the counter first. Then we can think about food.
There, that sign. Costa Rica flights.
Good morning. Where are you traveling today? San Jose, Costa Rica. Great. Passports, please. Any bags to check?
These 2 big ones.
Perfect. Place them on the scale, 24 kilos. You're good. Here, ordering 30.
Thank you. Why is the line so long?
It moves quickly. Please remove shoes and metal items.
Even shoes?
Yes, everything. Finally. Let's sit. Coffee time.
I'll get food. Kids, what do you want?
Sandwich. Fries.
Coming right up.
These fries are amazing.
Don't spill. Too late.
Vacation mode activated.
Did we miss anything important?
Uh-oh. Sunscreen? Did you pack it?
Oh no. I think I left it at home.
It's fine. We'll buy some later.
You always say that.
And I'm always right.
Dad is lucky.
Because I married your mom.
Oh, please. Stop. Passengers for San Jose. Boarding begins in 10 minutes. That's us. Let's go.
Yay, Costa Rica time.
Seatbelts, everyone.
I can see the wing.
Please remain seated as we prepare for takeoff.
We're going so fast.
Hold on, we're lifting off.
The buildings look tiny now.
Welcome to the clouds.
Drinks? Orange juice for the kids? Coffee for the adults? Yes, please. And maybe cookies.
These cookies are so small.
Everything feels tiny when you're this high up.
What was that?
Just a bumpy patch. Totally normal.
Feels like a ride at the fair.
Look outside. The clouds look like cotton.
We'll be landing shortly. Please fasten seatbelts.
We're almost there. I see the ground. We didn't crash.
Peter, don't say that so loudly. So many people with signboards.
Not us. Not us. Wait, look! Emmy Watson.
Close, but I'm Emma, not Emmy.
Oh, my mistake. Welcome to Costa Rica.
He spelled your name wrong, Mom.
It's okay. We'll laugh about it later.
Please follow me. The car is outside.
Wow, the air feels warm.
And it smells like flowers.
Are those bird sounds?
Yes, Costa Rica is full of wildlife. Your hotel is Blue Horizon, right? That's the one.
I can't wait to swim.
First the hotel, then adventure.
And then sleep. Lots of sleep.
We made it.
Yes, we did. Costa Rica, our new chapter begins.
And that wraps up our first day, full of rushing, running, laughing, and somehow reaching Costa Rica right on time. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like and subscribe for the next part of our Costa Rica journey.